Hey, my name is Kayden Minear.
I'm Tyler Christy. This is 5 Questions with Kayden Minear. Favorite track or city and why?
Favorite track? My favorite track that I've ridden personally has got to be Trentino, Italy. It's like on the edge of a mountain face. I thought that was pretty cool. I raced it in 2019 when I was on 65, so that was a pretty cool experience.
If one of them is going to yell at you, would you rather it be Brad or Bobby?
Oh, 100% Bobby. Brad is a man of very few words, so when he says something, you listen and you don't talk back, so definitely Bobby. He's probably yelled at me a few times already.
I could agree with that. Who is the best trash talker?
Yeah. I mean, me, I probably talk the most trash. I don't know about the best, but I mean, Coop's a pretty good trash talker.
Yeah.
He gets us going.
Cole's pretty good.
Even though he takes 20 minutes to figure out what he's going to say, but he's a pretty good trash talker.
Who is the funniest rider on the team?
I don't know, probably Cole. He's a bit of a chicken burger. I mean, some of the things he says is funny.
If you had to give another rider access to your social channels or for a full day, who's the last person you trust and why?
Oh, probably Hayden. He'd do something to violate me. Never trust that guy with anything you own.
Yeah. This has been 5 Questions with Kayden Minear. Thanks for watching.
Peace.